It's Renee back with another banger. But in today's video, we are going to be doing a Sephora haul. So before we jump into the video, I need you guys to do one thing for me. I'm doing a giveaway, and basically like with the giveaway, like I'm taking everybody's input to try to figure out like what exactly people want to see in the giveaway. Like if you guys want, like, I don't know, do I do something for the kids? Do I do something for the mothers? You know, I really want to give back this holiday season, so please let me know what you guys want to see. So drop a comment down below and tell me exactly what you guys want, even if it's $1 million. I don't care, just tell me. But after you guys do that, I need you guys to hit the subscribe button, okay? Super important, because you guys want to know when I upload. So just a little secret that I kind of wanted to share with everybody, like I really want to be able to help women. Like I'm a single mother, in case you guys didn't know. Like I'm a single mother, and basically, like, yes, I love makeup, I'm all for makeup, but I really want to make my channel like more educational. Like even if I'm doing makeup, you know, I want to be telling you guys like about how to fix your credit, you know, how to get perfect credit, how to prepare your credit, you know, to maybe purchase a home or to maybe buy a car. You know, I have come a long way, you know, and I'm so grateful for God, you know, being with me over the years. And you know, I really want to educate other women on how to also be successful, even when I'm doing my makeup. Engage with me and tell me like what other kind of videos you want to see, or what do you want to learn about, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so I had went to Sephora probably like 2-3 weeks ago, and I went to Sephora and Ulta, and I was actually gonna do like a makeup giveaway. I never did it. I don't know why, but I still have the products that I never used. So when I decided to do the Sephora makeup haul, I was kind of irritated, like, okay, now I'm about to have to spend some money again, because basically it's trending all over YouTube and I don't have a choice. So I went to Sephora, I got a few items, but I had already made it up in my mind, like I was only going to purchase items that I actually needed, that I actually was going to use. So the first thing that I purchased, you guys, is brushes. Now we all know, like, to clean our brushes is a complete headache. It's like a nightmare. Like, who wants to sit and clean their brushes? I know I don't want to, especially when you have hundreds of brushes. Like, who wants to sit and clean them? Like, nobody. So like, you can literally never have enough brushes. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and buy Sephora brushes. And this brush here I already use, and I love it. I love it. Like, now that I have, it's this brush here. So now that I have this brush, I hardly ever even use my beauty blender, to be perfectly honest. The only time I use my beauty blender now is basically when I'm going to set my face. Other than that, like, I'm like this at this point, okay? So this set is at, this set is labeled retail price at $45, and the value is $160. I don't know if I can say that this is worth $160, but I can say that this brush here alone is a really good brush. Now with my Sephora discount, now mind you, they have like the VIB, or the Insider, the VIB, and then the Rouge. The Insider is 10%, the VIB is 15%, and then the Rouge is 20%, and it's up until I believe the 15th. It was originally priced at $45, but the Sephora collection is 30% off, so I saved $13.50 on that item, and I paid $31.50. The next item that I purchased was actually these two items here. It's the Gucci perfume. It comes with a roller and then the actual spray, and I purchased two of them because it's my brother's girlfriend's birthday, and then it's my friend's birthday. Their birthday is like literally on the same day, so I had to buy both of them a gift, and I'm just kind of like, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and purchase them the same thing because I don't feel like going, you know, to multiple stores, and they're both very similar, so I'm like, they'll like it. Like, in addition, I went ahead and purchased for my brother's girlfriend a candle, and I don't know why, but it's like it's already open. I don't know if like one of my kids did this. There's really no telling, but it's like coming out of the package. Okay, that's weird. Oh my God. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, like what in the world is going on here? Okay, so anyways, it says Tahitian coconut vanilla. It was originally priced at $12, but then with my 15% off, it came to $10.20, so I saved $1.80. Now, the next item that I did purchase is going to be the Nudestix. And for whatever reason, like I've been into like stick foundation, stick contour, like everything is stick for me these days. Like I really like the stick formulas so much better because I feel like they just glide onto your face. You don't have to deal with the whole mess, and I feel like it's not as cakey, not as heavy. And so I wanted to try this because it does come with, wait, hold on. Okay, it says eyes, lips, and cheeks, but I'm confused now. It says 3 mini pieces. It's a 3-piece face set. So why does it say eyes, lips, and cheeks? Like, are you supposed to be able to use it like multiple ways? It's supposed to be a blush, a bronze, and a glow stick. Let's open this up to kind of see. I'm anxious to try it. Okay, it comes in this like little box. I feel like this is about to be super cheesy. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Okay, so can y'all even see these? Like, what is this? What am I about to do with this? Oh my goodness. I feel like they so just got over on me. Oh yeah. No. I can already tell. I'm not gonna. What in the world? What is this? Oh my goodness. So I'm doing some swatches so you guys can see the pigment on this. You guys, I'm going to do a first impressions, but I'm already feeling like this is not it. The highlighter is really nice though, so I'm going to give them a point for that. The highlighter is definitely like, the highlighter is nice. I like the highlighter. But like, okay, this blush looks super oily. This contour like is the same shade as my skin. Like, who's about to contour with this? This was the darkest shade, so maybe they were sold out, but this was the darkest set that I saw. So I don't know, but yeah, that contour definitely is not about to contour anything like on me. The next thing that I purchased was the Glide On Lip Pencil. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys how much the Nudestix cost. These little things were $20 freaking dollars. They were originally $25, but I saved $3.75. So I spent $21 on these things. Like, no. No. Look at this. No. No. This here was not worth $20. Like, I'm gonna do a first impressions on all of this stuff, but Nudestix, I want my money back. So fast forwarding back to the lip liner. This is in the shade Conspiracy. I'm gonna do a swatch so you guys can see the color of it. This is definitely a nice color, and I might even do like an ombre look or something. I'm not really sure. I'm, like I said, definitely going to do first impressions using all of the makeup products that I did purchase. I definitely feel like Urban Decay came through on this lip liner for sure. Like, it did just glide right on when I did the swatch. So this looks really nice. Thank you, Urban Decay. It was originally priced at $22 and I saved $3.30. So it came to $18.70. That sounds about right. Okay, we'll take that. We'll take it. Okay. So in a previous video, I kind of talked about my eyebrows and I had expressed that lately I've been on a more natural type of look. So basically I purchased the pomade, but this time I purchased it in the shade blonde. And I know everybody's probably thinking like, girl, what in the world? But the blonde is like not even that like light at all. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it's gonna be perfect when I try it, but we will see, okay? We will see. So my eyebrows, like they're not really full, but I try to make them full, like full and natural. And so back here, I have to fill in. Like here, I have to fill in. The pencil doesn't always get it. So I have to use like the pomade to kind of fill in a little bit. Then I also purchased another item from Urban Decay, which is the 24/7 shadow. It's a single shadow in the shade Psych. Let me see if I can take it out of the package for you guys. I thought this was a really pretty color for me to do like a fall kind of look. It's like a dark green kind of color. This is in there. This single shade cost like almost $20 if I'm not mistaken. It was $19, and then after my discount, which was $2.85, it came to like $16, which, okay, let's be honest, okay? One single shade, like, let's just do a swatch. It's really smooth. I will say that it's really smooth. It is a pretty color. It is definitely a pretty color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I just feel like for $20 though, for $20, really Urban Decay, $20. Then the last item that I purchased was the clear bra gel. And to be honest, this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. To be honest, I don't know why I bought this. I don't know why. I guess I just want to kind of like to experiment. I mean, I guess, okay. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like maybe it's okay. I feel like it kind of made my eyebrows a little bit fuller. I don't know. What do y'all think? Or did not do anything at all? I don't know. They just sell us stuff and we just buy. But okay, so that's all the items. I'm definitely going to do a first impressions on every single item except for the gifts like that I purchased for my sister and my friend. Like obviously I can't do a first impressions on that, but I'm pretty sure Gucci is good to go. Like I've worn Gucci, so I'm certain that it smells good. Like I don't know too many people that don't like the scent, so I think we're safe there. Just with the makeup products, I'm definitely going to do a first impressions. That will be my next video. I'll probably link it. If I can get it done like soon, I'll link it into this video as well. So that way you guys can get a feel of the different products in case this is anything that you want to purchase. To be honest, like when I went to Sephora, I wasn't really stoked about any of the products. Like they don't really have any new collections out. They do have new makeup lines, but I feel like it's all the same. Like I feel like everybody is selling the exact same thing in a different package. I wasn't really too excited to try like a new brand. So I just stuck with what I know, which, you know, is my normal go-to products that I would normally purchase, or brands that I would normally purchase from. And everything else, I'm just kind of like, I wasn't excited about it. Nothing is really trending right now, like not a specific product. So I just purchased what I would normally purchase, even if it wasn't the holidays. And then I purchased, like I said, things that I really needed, because I just felt like, why am I spending money again? Like, I don't really know. But anyway, so that is it. I'm, like I said, going to definitely try to get another video out as soon as possible, so that way I can go ahead and include the link into this video, so that way you guys could see how the products actually look on. I could be wrong about the Nudestix, but I'm not too excited to try it. I feel like it's definitely going to be, if we're talking about hit or miss, it's definitely going to be a miss with this product. I'm not confident about it at all. I don't know what other products that they sell from this brand. I did see like other sets, but like I said, this was the darkest set that I purchased. So I'm thinking, like, you know, it would be cool. And on the packaging, the shade looks to be a little bit darker. Maybe I'm mistaken, but this is what it looks like on the back. And I just knew, like, I thought it would be darker. I don't know. Maybe I'm misjudging them. I don't know, but I feel like I don't feel too confident about it at all. Like, I don't even know why Sephora is selling this. The packaging is nice though. But okay, you guys, so that is it. That is all. Thank you so much for coming and stopping by my channel. I appreciate the love, the support. I definitely want to do a giveaway for the holiday season. So if you guys have any ideas, if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below. Whether you want to see makeup as a giveaway, whether you want to see Bath and Body Works as a giveaway, you know, perfume as a giveaway, money as a giveaway, please just give me some type of feedback so I know what people actually want for this holiday season. It's really hard for me to know. Like, I've done polls on Instagram and stuff like that, and no one is saying anything, and I'm just like, what? Why? Like, no one wants a free gift? No one? Because if it was me, I'd be like, free, free, free. You know, like, nobody wants anything free? Like, I don't understand. It's free. You don't want anything free. You don't want anything free. What? What is going on? Everybody just got money around here? Like, I'm confused. Nobody wants anything free? So if you have any suggestions at all, please, 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 please feel free to let me know in the comments what you guys want. Like, if you were entering into the giveaway, let me know, like, what do you guys want to see? Other than that, I love you guys.